The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Salmon Croquettes from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen's Fishin eCookbook is a classic reimagined with a few modern touches. The recipe begins with 2 cans of pink or red salmon, drained, boned, and flaked, bound together with 4 beaten eggs and 2/3 cup of instant mashed potato flakes, an unconventional binder that gives the patties a tender, moist interior unlike the more common cracker-crumb or cornmeal base. Finely chopped fresh parsley and onion bring freshness and aroma, while salt and black pepper season the mixture throughout. Once shaped into 12 half-inch thick round patties and coated in plain breadcrumbs, the croquettes are pan-fried in butter, 4 to 5 minutes per side, until each patty is a deep, even golden brown, with a crisp exterior that gives way to a soft, savory salmon center. The Mr. Statting Food Test Kitchen describes this as one of their favorite recipes that keeps getting updated with the times, a classic with a bit of a twist. The twist here is the potato flake binder, which absorbs moisture from the canned salmon and eggs without drying out the patty the way excessive breadcrumbs can. The choice of butter as the frying fat rather than vegetable oil gives the croquettes a rich, nutty flavor that pairs naturally with the salmon. The recipe's notes suggest taking them over the top with a creamy dill sauce, and the make-ahead option, rewarming in a low oven, makes them practical for entertaining. Main ingredients: cans pink or red salmon, drained, boned, and flaked. 2 eggs, beaten. 4 instant mashed potato flakes, 2/3 cup. Aromatics and seasonings: finely chopped fresh parsley, 2 tablespoons. Small onion, finely chopped, 1/2. Salt, 1/4 teaspoon. Black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon. For coating and frying, plain breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup. Butter, 4 tablespoons. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. 1. Drain and flake the salmon. Open 2 Thai cans of pink or red salmon. Drain off the liquid, remove and discard the bones, and flake the salmon into a large mixing bowl using a fork. Beat the eggs. Crack 4 eggs into a small bowl and beat until the yolks and whites are fully combined and uniform in color. 3. Chop the aromatics. Finely chop 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley and 1/2 of a small onion. Measure out 2/3 cup of instant mashed potato flakes, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Combine the mixture to the large bowl with the flaked salmon, add the beaten eggs, potato flakes, chopped parsley, chopped onion, salt, and black pepper. Mix well until all ingredients are evenly distributed and the mixture holds together when pressed. 5. Shape the patties. Shape the salmon mixture into 12 1/2-inch thick round patties, dividing the mixture evenly. Place the shaped patties on a clean plate or baking sheet. 6. Coat with breadcrumbs. Place 1/4 cup of plain breadcrumbs in a shallow dish. Coat each patty completely with breadcrumbs, pressing gently so the crumbs adhere to all surfaces. Set the coated patties aside. Cooking steps. 1. Melt the butter. In a large skillet over medium heat, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Allow the butter to melt completely and begin to bubble slightly, but do not let it brown. Fry the patties in batches. Carefully place several breaded salmon patties into the hot butter, being careful not to crowd the skillet. Cook 4 to 5 minutes per side, or until each patty is golden brown and crisp on both sides. The patties should be firm and heated through. Add more butter as needed. After frying the first batch, add 2 more tablespoons of butter to the skillet and allow it to melt before adding the next batch of patties. Repeat until all 12 croquettes are cooked, adding butter as needed between batches. 4. Drain briefly. Transfer the finished croquettes to a paper towel-lined plate to drain any excess butter for just a few seconds. 5. Serve immediately. Serve the salmon croquettes hot straight from the skillet. For a make-ahead option, the croquettes can be prepared in advance and rewarmed in a low oven just before serving. The Mr. Food Test Kitchen recommends serving them with a creamy dill sauce to take them over the top.